Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make a soothing cup of chamomile tea step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need some dried chamomile flowers, either loose leaf or in tea bags, and fresh water. Also, grab your favorite teapot or mug and a strainer if you are using loose flowers. For a single serving, measure about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile. Next, we will prepare the water and begin the steeping process. Heat fresh water until it reaches a near boiling temperature, ideally around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. While the water is heating, place your measured chamomile flowers into your teapot or directly into your mug. Once the water is hot, carefully pour it over the chamomile flowers, making sure they are completely submerged in the water. This ensures a full extraction of flavor. Now comes the crucial steeping phase. Allow your chamomile tea to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. This duration is generally optimal for extracting the full flavor and beneficial properties. You can adjust the steeping time based on your personal preference for strength. A longer steep yields a stronger tea. Once steeped to your liking, carefully strain the chamomile flowers from the liquid using a fine mesh strainer or by removing the tea bag. Finally, it is time to serve and enjoy your delicious homemade chamomile tea. Pour the freshly brewed tea into your favorite cup. If you like, you can enhance the flavor by adding a touch of honey for sweetness or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Take a moment to savor the warm, comforting aroma. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the soothing benefits of your perfectly brewed chamomile tea. Cheers!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.